Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel where we embark on an exciting journey of learning English as a second language learning. I'm Sally, your friendly ESL teacher, and I'm thrilled to have you here with me today. With over 10 years of experience teaching ESL, I've had the pleasure of helping countless students from all walks of life achieve their language goals. I've designed this channel to be a one-stop destination for ESL learners of all kinds and levels. By subscribing to my channel, you will gain access to a treasure trove of engaging and interactive ESL lessons. You will learn practical vocabulary, grammar tips, pronunciation techniques, and much more. I'll be sharing valuable resources. If you are ready to take your English proficiency to a new height, hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing community of language enthusiasts. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so you never miss an opportunity. Thank you for visiting my channel today. I can't wait to embark on this incredible language learning journey with you. Remember, learning English should be fun and rewarding. Together, we'll make it happen. Well, I can't wait to see you in my videos. All right, see you.